आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि अगर कोई थॉट आपको बॉदर कर रहा है तो कहाँ पर लाइन ड्रॉ करें अपने लिए और उस थॉट को कैसे एड्रेस करें। क्या उसे इग्नोर कर दें कि ओ नो आई एम ओवर थिंकिंग, आई एम ओवर डूइंग इट, या उस पर एक्ट करें, और यदि एक्ट करें तो किस तरह से करें। Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having those deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Thank you to all those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And if you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. So, talking about a thought which is bothering you, now should you consider that, yes, I'm overthinking, I'm overdoing it, so I should just push it aside? Or it may have some some food for thought and you must consider it, right? Now, सही क्या है, गलत क्या है? Actually कुछ भी नहीं है, right? आपके बिलीव्स आपको एक थॉट दे रहे हैं, राइट? और वो थॉट आपको डिसएम्पावर कर रहा है, कुछ इमोशंस दे रहा है, आपको बॉदर कर रहा है, राइट? तो वो बिलीव्स आपको वो थॉट्स देंगे, आप वैसा महसूस करेंगे और वो चलता जाएगा, राइट? नाउ चॉइस है, राइट? यू हैव अ चॉइस. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज you are able to put it aside. You choose to put it aside, saying that I'm overthinking. I know I'm coming from my belief. I've done that in the past. और मुझे पता है कि इस बारे में सोच सोच के मैं खुद के लिए चीज़ें खराब कर लेती हूँ, सेल्फ सैबोटाज करती हूँ, राइट? और द अदर थिंग इज कि नहीं, मैं इसे इग्नोर नहीं कर सकती. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिंग myself. It's a matter of respecting what I am thinking and prioritizing it, right? This is happening to me. This particular thought is bothering me. How can I address it? How can I address it so that I can put it to rest? Now that's where you need to figure out the line that we talk about. वो जो एक लाइन ड्रॉ करने की हम बात करते हैं, अगर मैं उसे पुश कर देती हूँ, उसे कहीं पे डंप कर देती हूँ, ये सोचकर कि नहीं ये तो मेरा बिलीफ है और मैं ओवरडू कर रही हूँ, और उसके बावजूद वो फीलिंग लिंगर ऑन कर रही है, मैं डिसएम्पावर्ड महसूस कर रही हूँ, then that does not work. And that's not what you want. You want any barrier, any block, right, to be taken care of. Now, addressing it may take time. That belief, okay, working on that belief and, over the time, creating something more empowering will take time. That's fine. But in that moment, if putting it aside, choosing to push it aside is not working for you, then don't do it, right? That's where self-respect comes in, right? So what does it mean? It means that I am present, aware of what I am feeling and what my need is in this moment. Okay? So it is not baseless. If consistently मैं कुछ महसूस कर रही हूँ, कोई थॉट है जो बार बार आ रहा है, then attach some merit to it and do whatever needs to be done. So it may mean you have to walk up to somebody and talk to somebody about it if it is involving a relationship or some issue in some relationship, or if it is about some situation at hand where you want to address the issue, then whatever it is, whoever it involves, walk up to that person and talk, or you want to involve somebody, right, who could support you in sorting it out, or you just want a friend of yours or a mentor of yours or a buddy of yours to just hear you out. And while you're talking, maybe you get some insight there. Whatever that it is that you feel instantly, go ahead and do it. Okay? Don't push yourself into shoving it aside, into ignoring it. Okay? The feelings are not baseless. When you get that tapping from within again and again over something, trust that. Okay? Trust that and go ahead and act accordingly. And when you are giving that respect to yourself, when you prioritize yourself, when you pay heed to that which you're feeling, you will instantly feel amazing, even though it may not get sorted instantly, right? It'll take that time. But once you've initiated that process of addressing it, prioritizing what you're feeling, you will feel better. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, बहुत बार हम इसलिए अच्छा महसूस नहीं करते क्योंकि हम अपने आप को वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते, अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करते हैं। हम अपनी नीड्स को कहीं परे रख देते हैं, किसी कोने में रख देते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द फियर्स दैट वी हैव. Or what will happen to that relationship? What will the other person feel? What if I say this? What are they going to think about me? We have all those endless reasons which the brain, the brain is going to keep throwing that at you. But the point is, that's where you need to put your foot down and say that my needs are important. Okay, and that's where that self-respect comes in. So once again, quickly to summarize, if there's anything that's bothering you, a thought which is recurring, which is coming back to you again and again, do not sideline it, do not ignore it. If it still disempowers you, like ignoring it or putting it aside, consciously choosing to do that empowers you, you're fine with it, you're able to be aware that, okay, it's a belief and that's giving me my thought, I've done that in the past, good, fair enough. But if it is not happening, then go ahead and address it. अपने आप को रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखिए, अपनी नीड्स को रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखिए, right? There may be some element, something there which needs your attention. Okay, so go ahead and address it. I hope this was meaningful and this you were able to relate to something in your life that you've dealt with or you're dealing with and you've somewhere not addressed it, ignored it. Don't do that. Take actions and address it for yourself. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you once again with a fresh video. Take care. Bye-bye.